The Volkswagen ID 2 All concept is a promising glimpse into the future of electric vehicles tailored for the European market. Slated for a 2025 release, this concept car is a testament to Volkswagen's commitment to making EVs more accessible to the masses. With a projected price point of under €25,000, the ID 2 All is poised to be a competitive offering in the burgeoning EV market, potentially setting new standards for affordability without compromising on quality or features. One of the standout promises of the ID 2 All is its spaciousness, comparable to the popular Volkswagen Golf, but with a price tag resembling that of the more economical Polo. This balance of space and affordability is a significant selling point, especially for those looking to transition to electric without breaking the bank. The car's foundation on the latest MEB entry platform is noteworthy, as it marks the ID 2 All as the pioneering ID model to feature front-wheel drive. This platform choice not only speaks to the car's innovative design, but also its potential performance capabilities. In terms of physical dimensions, the ID 2 All is slightly shorter than the Golf. However, it doesn't skimp on space, offering an impressive cargo capacity that ranges from 490 to 1,330 liters. Such capacity ensures that while the car is compact and city-friendly, it doesn't compromise on utility, making it suitable for various user needs, from daily commutes to weekend getaways. Performance-wise, the ID 2 All doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a robust 166-kilowatt electric motor, enabling it to sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a mere 7 seconds. With a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour and a range of up to 450 kilometers, the ID 2 All promises both speed and endurance, ensuring users don't have to frequently worry about recharging during their journeys. Design is another area where the ID 2 All shines. The exterior design language, while fresh and modern, pays homage to Volkswagen's rich legacy. The C-pillar, for instance, draws inspiration from the first-ever Golf. The car's front exudes friendliness with a full-width lighting element, while the rear showcases simplicity with its clear-cut taillights and a prominent black diffuser. Inside, the car is a blend of technology and comfort. A 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system stands out, complemented by a newly designed Hvac control panel and a revamped steering wheel, addressing previous feedback about the lack of physical buttons in Volkswagen's electric vehicles. In the broader context of Volkswagen's EV strategy, the ID 2 All is just the beginning. The automaker has an ambitious lineup for the coming years, including the launch of the new ID 3, the extended ID Buzz, and the ID 7. Furthermore, Volkswagen is also gearing up to introduce a compact electric SUV by 2026, and another EV with an even more affordable price tag of under €20,000. These initiatives underscore Volkswagen's vision for an electric future and its commitment to making it accessible to all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.